Hello.
Hey, bad lighting.
You want to see my room?
Hey, Giordano.
Hey, big meal, small places. What's up, people of the internet?
Here we go.
Big meals.
That's
Small places.
This time we have to rehearse.
it. What do you mean? Why do we have to rehearse?
Because I'm so confused when I don't know what's next.
But that's what makes it good.
Yeah, but you have to rehearse a little bit.
Where's Dad?
He went to help his friend at pizza place.
Ah, God. So you excited for today's shoot, Ma?
Yep.
There we go.
There we go again.
What you think of the meatball parm pot pie?
It was great. It was really good. I
Yeah.
tried at home. It came out delicious.
Yeah.
Sal, my voice sounds so deep in the video. That's how I sound?
No, you sound good. I didn't think you sounded.
I thought I had such heavy accent and deep voice.
You have a heavy accent, that's for sure. You have it.
Yeah, but when I talk, I hear the accent, yes, but I don't hear that deep voice. But when I talk on the phone, people think I'm a man.
They do? What do they say to you?
Sometimes, okay, sir, what you said?
Oh, God. What do they say, Mr. Governale? They call you?
No, if I call and they say, this is Mr. Governale. Okay, can I help you, Mr. Governale?
Oh, that's funny. And today we'll make your style of chicken parm.
Yes.
But we're not gonna. We're not gonna fry it first. We're gonna bake it directly.
You bake it, yeah, you can bake. I bake my chicken all the time.
Yeah, raw, right? You bread it and bake it.
Raw,
Yeah.
raw, and then you put the tomato sauce on and cheese.
Yeah. Somebody asked what a good tip was for good chicken parmesan. They said Pecorino Romano cheese. That makes it great.
Yeah, and the breadcrumbs, you put the cheese, the parsley, salt and pepper, and garlic powder.
Right.
And then an egg, and then you put the collards, and then you bake it.
Yeah, we'll do that today.
Yeah, I'm starving.
Are you? All right, we'll eat in a little bit. Hey everybody, it's Sal Governale from Big Meals.
Small places.
I'm here again with Mama Governale, and she is making
Chicken Parmesan.
That's right, it's her own special recipe straight from Agropoli Salerno.
Italy.
That's right, so check it out everybody, it's great.
If there's ever been a guy on a mission, it's me, comedian and cooking fanatic Sal Governale. Each week I travel around with just my toaster oven, showing people how to make big meals in small places.
Okay, so I'm here with Mama Governale. We're making your chicken parmesan. This is an authentic recipe, straight from Mama. I absolutely love it. We grew up with it, and people love chicken parmesan. Now you can make it in your toaster oven, right, Mom?
Yes, it's very easy and very fast.
So, let's get
going. Let's get started.
All right, Mom, let's get rolling.
Okay.
We have 2 chicken breasts here. And what are we going to do? We're going
First, we season a little bit with a little salt.
Okay.
And a little pepper.
Sounds good. That's it.
That's it. On both sides.
Okay, flip it over. That's good.
Very little salt. Then we put it into the flour.
So we have the chicken breast and the flour, just a light dredge of flour, and from there
goes into the egg.
Into the egg. Look at that fork work, Mom. You're good. You're good.
And
from the egg.
From the egg goes
shake
into.
it off a little bit.
It goes into the breadcrumbs.
One side, 2 sides. And then I'll take the sauce. Take your favorite marinara sauce. Put it in the pan. And I got these pans at the dollar store. You get like 3 for $1 or something. Because
spread it around.
Spread it around. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit more sauce. You're going to put about a 1/4 cup of sauce on the bottom of the pan. And that's what I'm doing now. And then place your chicken breast right on there. I'm going to turn it this way. Okay. And by the way, if you notice, you're not frying. Keep going, Mom. You're not frying the chicken in advance. You're not baking the chicken in advance. You're doing it all in one shot, and you're doing it all in one pan. You don't need to cook the chicken in advance for it to cook all the way through. You could do this here very simply. Flour, egg, breadcrumb, looks good, Mom. Take it from there, put it on the bottom of the saucepan. Then from there, we're gonna add some sauce on top of the chicken breast. I would say about 1 or 2 tablespoons on top. So spread that out like that. And then, what are you gonna do, Mom?
Then we sprinkle it with the Parmesan cheese.
Pecorino Romano.
Pecorino Romano.
That's the key here. And
About 2 teaspoons.
some fresh mozzarella on top of that. Look at that, how good is that, look, Mom? Put all that cheese on there. That's about...
And then we put some fresh parsley on top.
There you go. Now, here it is. Chicken Parmesan ready to be cooked in your toaster oven. 375 degrees, 15 minutes wrapped in foil. After 15 minutes, take the foil off and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes more to get that cheese nice and bubbly. You want to foil it first so the cheese does not burn. So let's do that, Mom. Here's the toaster oven. Let's slide it in. Turn it on. 375 for 15 minutes. And in a few minutes, we're gonna have delicious
chicken Parmesan.
That's right. Are you excited, Mom?
Very excited. I'm hungry. I want to eat.
I can tell. My mom's only here for the food. She could give a crap about the recipes.
We cook and then we eat.
That's it. That's how it works. See you in a few. Okay, Mom. Chicken is ready.
Take it out.
Let's take it out of the toaster oven. Looks so good. Oh my God. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
Hot and delicious. Let's plate it, Mom. Give this a taste.
You do it. Go ahead.
Okay. Got it. Get that chicken.
Wow.
Get that going. Ah, look at the cheese.
Wow. Yum, yum, yum.
Oh man. Take some of that. Then I like to take a little sauce, put it on top. Now let's give that a nice cut open. Look at that. Perfect white meat in the center. You don't need to fry it in advance.
No.
You don't need to bake it in advance, nothing. And there it is, delicious hot chicken Parmesan. And it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now this is what I like to do. You can make it with what, Ma?
You can put some pasta on the side. You can make a delicious gyro chicken Parmesan.
And that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna make a chicken Parmesan gyro. There's the chicken right there. Then take a little extra sauce, a little extra cheese, throw it on top.
Cut it in half.
Cut that up. Okay. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Have some, Mom. Chicken Parmesan made in your toaster oven.
So tender and delicious.
In 20 minutes.
Delicious.
Excellent.
Excellent. Oh my God.
Made from Mama Governale. Serve it with pasta. Serve it.
And a hero, any way you like.
20 minutes in your toaster oven. Enjoy. Ciao. Arrivederci.
Ciao.
I'm eating more of this, Mom.
I'm taking a bite.
I love it. You're going to love it too.
Delicious, delicious.